Kalong ka jingkerman yiki Nonghikai Ssa joka jala Meghalaya habaha ka shiphotereng unai wing ahaja arpoi ubalak men Rymbui menteri katanat pule puthi jong Sorkar jala ulapente bag Sorkar India ka sa Pyllait no ashenia ka pisa ka basan pukandai Klur dagani uba Rymbui ulo ang ba ansala ban Siew ya arbanai ka Tulop jong ki Nonghikai Ssa.
Regarding SSA teacher, the government of Meghalaya is following up every now and then with the government of India to release the fund. We are requesting to release about 140 crore, but we got the decision that from the government of India that they are releasing only 59 crore. So this, I hope that by next week everything will be done. So whatever, I think 1-2 months or two months, I think we could release.
Rymbui ulapente pru baka Sorkar kadan kam arpan rep Klur shibanai nagabenta ban Siew ka Tulop jong ki kharar hajar sanspa sapuing wat ki Nonghikai Ssa ha ka jala Meghalaya.
I hope that the government of India will take a concrete step so that this issue will be solved once for all, because this is here now and then it is like this. If they clear one go also it's alright, but the thing is that is spending 2, 3, 4, 5 months altogether is quite, because we need 26 crore per month to pay the salary.
So time and again the salary of these SSA teachers are delayed. So is there any mechanism to ensure that their salary flow is not disturbed?
Now until and unless the fund we receive from the government, it's very difficult, because as I said, that 26 crore per month we need to pay the salary for these teachers. So until and unless the government will release the fund as per its commitment, so it's very difficult for the state government to do anything. But I hope that we are trying to impress every now and then, and yesterday also we impressed them, but at least they should release as much as possible.
Nagaliaw konrat sangma menteri rangba ka jala par uloong bakani ka jinge ki Nonghikai Ssa kamdei tang ha ka jala Meghalaya bar kumta baro ki Sorkar jala jong kari India ki yai ban ek Sorkar Kmie ban Pyllait no kloye ka pisa.
So you see, the SSA teachers have not been paid throughout the country. So teachers in Maharashtra, teachers in Madhya Pradesh, teachers in Assam, teachers in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, all SSA teachers throughout the country have not been paid for the last 5-6 months. So it is not a problem or an issue that is specific to Meghalaya. It's an all India problem. All chief ministers and education ministers have continuously been following it up with the education department in Delhi, and we are expecting some response from them. Recently also our education minister has gone and met the education department officials in Government of India just about 2 days back. He came back this morning at 5 o'clock. So he has made some way forward. So we are hopeful that we'll get some relief. But what I'm trying to say is that this is not a Meghalaya only problem. Throughout the country, all SSA teachers have not received their salary for the last 5-6 months. As you're aware, this is a central government scheme and a program, and 90% of the fund comes from central government. Therefore, it is a huge challenge for government to pay from its own pocket. Today, we have about 5-6 months of salary that's due. I may be wrong by 1 or 2 months, but roughly about 150 crores is due to them. So therefore, it's not possible for the state government to shell that money out even in advance, since it's a large amount. So the message I want to give is that we are very concerned about this. We are aware about this. All the chief ministers and state governments are pressing Government of India, and I would like to appeal also to Government of India that they should release this at the earliest. And it's not a problem only specific to Meghalaya, it's a problem throughout the country.